Life and Dream. The young man's name was Alex, and he had always dreamed of becoming a successful singer. However, his dreams were constantly hindered by his difficult upbringing. Alex grew up in a poor family, with his parents constantly fighting and eventually divorcing when he was only 10 years old. He had to live with his alcoholic father, who often neglected him and made life difficult for him. Despite these challenges, Alex was determined to succeed in life. He worked hard to save enough money to go to college, where he discovered his talent for singing. However, his dream of pursuing a music career was almost shattered when he got into a fight with his father, who destroyed his guitar in a fit of rage. To make matters worse, one of Alex's closest friends became addicted to drugs, and Alex himself was tempted to try them. But he knew that drugs would ruin his life, so he stayed away from them. Just when things seemed to be getting better for Alex, his father was involved in a terrible accident that left him crippled. Alex had to take care of his father, which was a difficult task, but he did it out of love for his dad. When his father passed away, he decided to change his ways and focus on his music career. It was during this time that Alex met Natalie, a music producer who believed in his talent and helped him get his foot in the door of the music industry. Alex began to perform at small gigs, slowly building up his fan base. But it was a chance encounter at one event that changed everything. The scheduled singer didn't show up, so Alex was asked to fill in. The audience loved him, and his performance went viral on social media. A record label soon contacted Alex, offering him a contract. He was overjoyed and signed on immediately. He began to write his own songs and perform at bigger and bigger venues, becoming more and more famous with each passing day. But success came at a price. Alex's mother, who had abandoned him and his father when he was young, suddenly came back into his life. She had seen him on TV and realized that he was famous and had a lot of money. She began to ask him for money, and soon she became a constant presence in his life, always asking for more. Alex was torn between his desire to help his mother and his need to protect his newfound success. But he knew that he couldn't keep giving her money without talking to her about his past and the pain that he had gone through. So he invited his mother to meet with him, and he opened up to her about his father's passing and how it had changed him. He told her that he wanted to move forward and build a relationship with her, but that he needed her to understand that he couldn't keep giving her money without any explanation or understanding. In the end, Alex's mother understood and agreed to work on their relationship. Alex realized that success wasn't just about money or fame, but about the love and support of his family. He continued to perform and write music, but he also made sure to stay close to the people who mattered most in his life. And that, for him, was the ultimate success.